एक अजीब सी चीज़ मैंने देखी है कि पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड का कोई नुमाइंदा यहाँ खड़ा नहीं था। पाकिस्तानी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी होस्ट कर रहा था और पाकिस्तान का कोई भी नुमाइंदा यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा था। ये बात मेरी समझ से बाहर है।
Pakistan hosted the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy, but when it came time for the final presentation in Dubai, there wasn't a single Pakistan Cricket Board representative on stage. The absence sparked outrage, with Shoaib Akhtar and Wasim Akram questioning why the host nation had no presence. Now, an ICC spokesperson has explained what really happened. India clinched the Champions Trophy by defeating New Zealand. But it wasn't just the thrilling match that grabbed attention. BCCI President Roger Binny and ICC Chairman Jay Shah handed out medals, but no PCB officials were called up. According to the ICC, only PCB office bearers were eligible to be on stage, but none were in Dubai. Now, former pacer Shoaib Akhtar took to social media, calling the absence of the Pakistan Cricket Board officials strange and saying he was left disappointed. He pointed out that Pakistan was the official host, yet had no representation at the most crucial moment of the tournament.
कोई रिप्रेजेंट करने क्यों नहीं आया ट्रॉफी और कोई देने यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आया? It is beyond me. Point to think about it, please. World stage है, यहाँ पे आपको होना चाहिए था. But sadly, I could not see any Pakistan Cricket Board member out there. और ये hosted by us and yet there is nobody there.
Now, the ICC clarified that PCB chairman Mohsin Naqvi was unavailable and didn't travel. However, according to reports, the PCB CEO Sumair Ahmed was in Dubai but was not invited on stage, an apparent communication error that has left the PCB furious. A recent report also confirmed that PCB CEO and tournament director Sumair Ahmed attended the final, yet was ignored. This has led to speculation of mismanagement and a growing rift between PCB and the ICC. Now, cricket legend Wasim Akram echoed Akhtar's frustration, stating that even if the PCB official wasn't handing out the medals, they should have been present on stage as hosts. Unhappy with the ICC's response, the PCB is set to take up the matter formally. They argue that multiple errors throughout the tournament undermined Pakistan's hosting rights, including the snub at the closing ceremony.
जी आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हिंदुस्तान ने जीत ली है और एक अजीब सी चीज़ मैंने देखी है कि पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड का कोई नुमाइंदा यहाँ खड़ा नहीं था. वर्ल्ड स्टेज है, यहाँ पे आपको होना चाहिए था. बट सैडली आई कुड नॉट सी एनी पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड मेंबर आउट देयर और ये hosted by us and yet there is nobody there. Think about it. Been very down to see that.
Now, with this latest controversy, the debate over cricket diplomacy is only heating up. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and follow Mojo Story for more updates.